This is a 1984 to 1985 Galaxy box fan. It's a 2-speed model. As you can see, just high and low. It's in really good shape. It's missing a few slats right here. Just a couple actually. And the back isn't missing any. So it's in real nice shape. The paint is in good shape. No chips or anything. So turn it around so you can see the motor. It's got the plastic Marco motor, which are very reliable, and the blades are a little dirty, and the motor probably has some dust in it, and I'd like to oil it, so I'm going to take it apart and clean it. Let's go ahead and capture our amp draw. This is rated at 2.2 amps, so we'll start up on high. Alright, let's go ahead and turn it on and actually see the fan while it's running. Now this is a pretty low hours fan because it doesn't have much of a motor hum to it, like a lot of these do when they have higher hours on them. It doesn't really need to be oiled, but I want to clean it out anyway, so I'm going to take the blade off and grills and all that good stuff. Here's a startup sound on low. And here's high. So that's it for this part of the video. Thanks for watching.